let's check out this tire repair kit that actually is probably one of the best on the market. And when it comes to the price, for example, on AliExpress, if you are a new user, you can literally pick up these for like $1 with free shipping. So if you are like an old user on AliExpress, if you already have account there, it costs under $5. So they're actually like very, very inexpensive. So I'll actually leave a link to the exact listing where I got mine from. So this kit basically is probably the best one out there. Also, I see they also have different kits with like black handles, but I do not think those are actually as good. So, and I actually have used this kit in the past. So I pretty much have had basically the same kit for like 3 years. So I was out of the strips basically. So I have actually used this kit, and basically, yeah, it really was cheaper just to purchase a new kit than to try to source these locally. So really, yes, it is what it is. So inside the kits, so basically this is what it looks like. And yeah, inside the kit you basically get these strips. So they're actually kind of like half baked. So and basically, as you see, they're kind of sticky as well. So kind of hassle to put on, but again, these are totally not cured basically. So when you actually put them in tire, basically when you actually start to drive, these actually cure themselves, and actually they plug the hole like really well. So I have a lot of like junk basically in my local roads, so I actually use this stuff like very frequently, as I do not want to spend money and waste time going to the shop basically to repair it professionally. But the thing is, this really does the same job, so it's actually like really good. So I haven't really had any like tire fail basically once repaired with these. So if you want to check how basically to use them, check my other videos basically. So I will make a guide on how to use this properly, but I'm just showing basically this kit. So this is one basically. Basically you have to basically stab this inside the hole or wherever you have, and basically like go round and round a bit, so it like creates a bit more even hole basically where you can actually insert it. Maybe the hole is like too small, so we wouldn't be able to insert it just without just with this tool basically. So we first need this. So, and as you see, compared to others, this is actually like super sturdy. So you need to like you need actually like quite a lot of force to actually like operate this. So, and this is sturdy. So I have seen other ones, those like black ones, maybe they're like a few pence cheaper, but I can't suggest you those. I think these with these handles are actually the best. So again, I'll actually leave a link where I got this exact kit and the one you are seeing basically in this video. Then also some of these actually come with this glue as well, so rubber glue basically. So basically you can also like put on the glue on them if you want that, but from what I have found, you can easily like basically go without this like rubber glue as well. So if you want, it's not like it's needed at all times. Maybe in some situations it's good, so maybe you have some weird hole to plug it properly, but for most holes you probably do not even need it. So once you have your hole basically here, you take this one stick basically, again later on you can actually purchase these sticks locally as well, but again it made more sense to actually just purchase a new set for me, as I didn't have this so in my previous kit basically. And then basically you'd basically insert it over here. Okay, basically you have to loop it through this hole basically, so it's kind of hassle sometimes, but it has to be like that, so you have to use a bit of force to get it through. And then basically you basically stab in that hole basically, and you have to actually twist it then, so make sure it actually goes in hole. It will go like this in the hole basically, and then you have to twist it like this, so it actually twists up, and then you actually like pull it out basically. So sorry, basically this like this whole thing basically has to go inside your tire basically, and then you twist it and then pull it out basically. So really do not forget to twist it, otherwise yeah, you won't actually good seal. So but again, I will actually make a video on tire where I will show you basically, but yeah, I just wanted to show you what these actually look like. Also, I'm fairly sure you can maybe even cut this in half and literally use only like half of this, so if you want to save basically these. So theoretically maybe this set can like plug 10 holes. So you can also purchase on AliExpress these spare ones for these. They are not very expensive, like I think maybe like $1 for a set of these, just these, so the regular price, so they're very cheap. But again, this whole set is like under $5, the normal price. Again, I'll actually leave a link where you can get it for yeah, pretty much for $1 or €1 with free shipping, if you are like a new user. So very inexpensive. And again, I have seen local shops try to sell these for big money, but again, yeah, just purchase them on AliExpress, and yeah, actually are really good. So I can highly suggest them. And again, check my other video basically where I'll show you basically how I basically put it in tire. So again, I must have plugged like not sure, definitely more than 10 like holes with these plugs, and I haven't had any fail. And from what I have heard also from other people, also these are actually like super good. So this is actually like one of the best do-it-yourself repairs. So I do not know any other better repair for car tires, motorcycle, or yeah. Anyway, good luck guys.